Be careful, everyone. It's quite breezy.
This is perfect weather for flying a kite.
Hooray! I love flying kites.
The wind is getting stronger. That makes it more fun.
Hold tight, Peppa.
Woohoo! It's flying!
Hooray!
And away we go.
Wow, it's flying so high. It's flying.
Up, bibida kita daw, binanatay daw. Bibite sa daw, bibite daw. This wind is very strong. The wind is very strong. I think we should hold on tight.
Very strong indeed.
My hat. Peppa, today you will learn to ride your bike.
Yes, Daddy, I'm ready. I'm a little bit excited. Go, Peppa! Hooray! Bike! Make sure you wear your helmet. Whee!
Here you go, Peppa. Now you're all safe.
Yay! Thank you, Mummy.
Okay, Mommy. Come on, Peppa, you can do it.
Peppa, pedal.
I'm doing it.
You're doing it, Peppa. Whee!
Oh dear, I'm the other. I'm wobbling.
Just keep pedaling.
I don't think I can do it.
Oh dear. Are you all right? Everyone falls when they learn. Don't worry, Peppa. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Oh, I see. You're doing very well, Peppa.
I'll try again.
Keep pedaling steadily, Peppa. You're doing great.
Don't worry, Peppa. I've got you. I'm doing it all by myself, Daddy. You're doing it, Peppa. You're riding by yourself now. Look, Daddy, I'm riding.
You're riding all by yourself.
I am. It's raining outside. Rain. Yes, George. It's a rainy day.
I hope the rain stops soon.
After the rain, there might be puddles. Puddles! Puddles! Ah! Puddles! The rain has stopped.
I love puddles. Splish, splish, splosh.
Hooray!
Time to put on our boots.
Let's go outside.
Muddy puddles.
Hooray! I'm ready to jump in puddles. No description. Jump.
Everyone needs boots for puddle jumping.
Look at my new boots.
Well, look at all these wonderful puddles. Oh, Mummy, can we jump in them?
Puddles, puddles, puddles.
Yes, but remember the puddle rule.
I love muddy puddles. Muddy puddles. Muddy puddles. Can I jump in the puddle, Peppa?
Yes, George. Have fun.
We're going on a picnic today. Ooh. Let's pack the basket.
I love picnics.
Picnic! Huh? Hooray!
Everything is packed.
This is the perfect picnic spot. Yes, it is.
Yes, under that tree.
Picnic time.
Food. This sandwich is yummy.
Picnics make food taste better.
Oh, this is lovely.
Oh dear, it's windy.
No! I'll get it! Ah! 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 Wait up, you tricky napkin!
Silly Daddy. This is my teddy.
Dinosaur, dinosaur.
Teddy is my best friend.
Peppa, George, we're going to the park.
Hooray!
Time for a lovely day out.
Hooray! Bing bong. Daddy, Mummy, where are we going? I thought we were going to the park. Park! No, we're going home. Come on.
Oh no! Where is Teddy?
Teddy? Teddy, where are you? Are you under here? Teddy! Oh no, where's Teddy? Teddy isn't here. I miss Teddy.
Look, the bush. No, wait, the lamp. No, the bush. Maybe the lamp. Look, there's the slide.
Let's go!
Watch out, George. Have you seen my teddy? Don't worry, Peppa. It's okay. Thanks, George.
Teddy!
Teddy.
Irma?
We're going to the supermarket. Hooray! I love going to the supermarket. Me too, Peppa. Let's go then.
Supermarket.
I hope they get here soon.
Look at all the food.
Let's get a trolley. Let's get a trolley.
Wow, everything's so big. Look at all the colorful food, Peppa.
Let's get some ice cream.
Ooh,
Dinosaur!
dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs!
Would you like a dinosaur?
We need some fruit.
Yes, that looks good.
I'll pick the apples.
Excellent choice, Peppa.
Bananas. Apples. Good job, Peppa. Apples.
Oh, you can do it, George.
Reach a bit higher.
Almost there.
Oh, can we get sweets?
Not today, Peppa.
Wow! Sweet! Sweets!
Just small treat. Just a small treat.
Chocolate.
Let's see. Candy.
Oh,
Oh, please, can we have some?
Oh dear, where did everyone go? Where did everyone go? Peppa? George? Mummy Pig?
Daddy Pig is lost.
Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig. Is that Daddy Pig?